Hey everyone, and welcome to Next AI. I wanted to go over something with you. I'm creating a demo video right now. I'm going to show you how to use a really great tool. We discuss things AI here. We all use this script to video. We're used to using this, usually going and getting a script from ChatGPT and working on that and putting in here and picking all our pictures and yada, yada, yada. But when you're recording like I'm doing right now, and I'm new to all this, so I'm not very good at it. This I have found to be really great, and there's not many videos on it. So I thought I'd show you what I've discovered, okay? So I'm going to stop this demo video so I have something to upload here to show you what I'm talking about. See you in a bit. Okay, now we're back. That demo video, and then I will probably do this to this whole video here once I'm through recording, because like I said, I'm not very good at this. Anyways, I'm gonna do, this is what you do. You hit proceed, and then we're gonna click on here, and you're gonna take a video that you've already downloaded, which I just did with that little demo video I did in the beginning. I'm gonna open it up, and then we'll hit proceed, just like you do when you do the script one. And it takes a little bit to load up here. So we'll just sit here. I may edit this part out after I show you how to use this. It's such a powerful, wonderful tool. So we may cut this in for time's sake so you don't have to sit here and watch all this. Even though it is, pretty decent for what these tools do. I mean, it's really a time saver in all the other aspects. We're very lucky these days to have so much of this stuff available to us. It's really well worth checking them out. They are really nice tools. I don't give you anything I don't use myself. Um, and I've used this for about a year now and just absolutely love it. It just keeps improving. And that's a wonderful thing too. So yeah, I'm gonna end up having to edit this down some here. But that's what the beauty of this section is that I'm gonna show you. Um, so I don't know what to say anymore. Kind of silly. Okay. Let me pause. Yeah. As soon as I remembered I could hit the pause button instead of keep yakking away. Um, Anyways, so here's our video, the little demo video I did. Okay. Now right here, okay, this is taken everything that I had recorded in that video. Okay, see all the ums and it just, so what we're gonna do is remove the filler words. So it took all those ums out. We're going to remove long silences, okay? Anything over 2 seconds, okay? Okay, silence is not found. I guess I'm too much of a chatterbox. Okay. Okay, so that was good. All right, so we like that. If we want to add subtitles, we can add subtitles. We can do that here, and you can choose from these down here, okay? You hit this little bar here and drag it across. They have all kinds of colors and text, whatever, depending on the flavor of your video, because they changed that where you had to choose on the other application on here, but now you get to pick later. So let me just pick something basic. I'll just do this. We want to do that. Okay, now right up here where it says customize video, we're going to select on that. Okay. Okay, and it's going to create our storyboard. Now it's going to end up looking just like we used the script to video, because the script is here, okay, just like you would put it into here, okay? But the video you just made now, you see all your scenes have been here. It's not their funky pictures. And you can cut any of these scenes out, go to your visuals and change any of these scenes if you want. I'll change one at some point here. Um, but here's what's really fascinating. If you go to the audio, okay, of course you can put your music in, but now you can change your voice, and if you're like me, mine's pretty awful. Um, I can change it to any one of these. So, um, like, let's see. I can make it a guy's voice, you know.
We have committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life.
What worries you masters you.
Yeah. Let's see.
Work while you have the light. You are responsible for the talent that has been entrusted to you.
Never mistake motion for action.
Okay. Anyways, you can pick any one of these. Oh, Glinda the Witch. Yeah, that one's pretty funny. Um, let's see, what's this about?
A single rose can be my garden. A single friend, my world.
I think Dorothy, I think I've used her before.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Oh, let's try that. Okay, that'll be fun. Okay, so we'll apply that. We'll apply that, and let's see. We'll do the background music. What do they have? Anything? What's this one sound like? Pretty few. Oh, geez. I don't think we need country here and real strong guitars. Okay, there's something that should be good in the background. So we'll put that. Okay, down to 10%. Okay. And it's still working on the voiceover. So let's go back to the script here. Now, right here, I'm going to show you, scroll all the way down. And now maybe you want to add something. So I'll say something like, gee, thanks for WATCH watching. Oops, it's typing away here and it's not even in there. Okay, I paused the video there because it was kind of taking a little long. So anyways, I was back down here. Get that cursor. There we go. Thank you for watching. Next, AI. Please like and oops and share, so subscribe. Okay. Well, that's going to have to be rendered again. But anyways, now that we've added the scene, see number 84 here. Now 84 is here. So let's go to visuals and let's put in YouTube. And just see what it comes up with, and we'll change that out for an end screen. Okay, that'll work. Okay, so we got that there. So we have the audio. We have the visuals because we have all of the video I recorded, and now the end screen has the thank you that that I just typed in. Okay, so now I'm going to preview this. I'm going to pause the video because that always takes a little bit. Okay, that took a little bit. So here we are. So now I'm going to play it for you.
Everyone, and welcome to Next. I wanted to go over something with you. I'm creating a demo video right now. I'm gonna show you how to use a really great tool. You know, we discuss things I hear.
Okay, this needs some little work there, which it'll be fine once you download it. It's all choppy right now. But I can see there's some things wrong with the script. So we'll go to the story here. And as you heard from her in the beginning, look at that there. Hey everyone, and see, like this is too far apart. Okay, and this here is totally off. So we can just make our corrections. Next, AI. Okay, and I'm going to take this out here. Always got to click like 3 times to get that cursor to move. There we go. Backspace. Okay, and we're going to put I down here. Yeah, this is too short of a video. I've done longer ones in the past, and it works out really great. But it probably didn't have enough words per se to fill in all the video time here. So I'm guessing it's like 1 on every line here. So I'm just going to leave that alone for now because I don't want to just, this is just a demo video. I want to, if you do like a longer video, it does a lot better, which I will do this video, but unfortunately I won't be showing that to you, I don't think. When I edit the one I'm doing for you right now. Because I'm not very good at this, as I said, I'm just new. So I going to, that should be going to. We'll change that. Get the little cursor thing. There we go. Okay. 2. Show you how to use a really great tool, Okay. All right. Well, anyways, you kids get the idea. And, but anyways, this really works out great. You'll see when you watch this full video the power of it once I join the demo video with this video. It's going to be really.
Hey everyone, welcome to Next AI. Here's the finished video. I may need a few more tweaks, but looks pretty good. I wanted to show you a tool that I just started using and realized just how powerful this tool is. And I'm not finding many instruction videos on this. As creators, we're using this one a lot, script to video. We type our script into ChatGPT and it creates videos. In fact, up here, I just saw this. This is great. I'll do a video on this later. Pictory can now be added to your ChatGPT if you have a +4 account. Anyways, I'm going to show you this video to text. I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to use this as my demo video, what I've recorded up to this point. I'll see you in a bit. Thank you for watching Next AI. Please like and subscribe. This scene was added during the instructional video.
Okay, so there you go. I mean, this little thing is like a little tool. I mean, I know a lot of you are afraid to get on camera. I haven't really crossed over to that myself to actually show my face yet. Um, but this gave me a lot of confidence to even start speaking on camera. I thought, I'll redo my voice and whatever. And I thought, you know what? I don't have to. It's fine. Either you listen to me or you don't. That's up to you. It's a free country. Anyways, I wanted to give you some more things here. I when you heard that last video, the final cut, uh, I changed up, I added more text into here, which made it go a little smoother. And I wanted to point out something in here. Oh, shoot, oh yeah, right here. In this video, um, she had a hard time saying Pictory, so don't be afraid to turn your words into something like this, because it kept saying picture. I couldn't recognize that the word is this word up here, Pictory. So I enunciated it out for her. So I put Pictory. So when you listen to the video, if you go back and listen to it, it says Pictory, Pictory. So that's better than Pictory or whatever it was trying to say. So I just wanted to point that out to you. And everything else here is the same. You can add transitions. You can change up what you want on how you want your captions to look. or you can, get rid of the captions and what are all together, which is all up in here. And you can insert another screen if you want to, add something in between for what your videos are. Then you have all your elements and your GIFs and all that fun little stuff you can add depending on what your videos are. Okay. And then when you're all done, you just come up here, video, download. Okay. Now you can, I had to, put 3 or 4 different videos together for this. And you could, upload them. Where are we at on here? I think. Yeah, uploads. You can upload your other sections of videos here if you've made different cuts into here, or you can use CapCut. I like to use CapCut to edit my videos, but this is just fine. Like if you are doing the faceless type videos and whatever, this will work just fine. You don't need to get all fancy having to learn that. I think what I'm trying to do here is encourage you that, you've been hearing about all these faceless YouTube channels and a lot of stuff's been done to death. If you're afraid of what your voice sounds like, or if you have a heavy accent or anything, this could be an answer for you. Whatever you do is just get out there and do it. I mean, I'm sure you have information you can share with the world. And I'm sure there's an audience out there that would love to hear it. So I encourage you to give this a go. And after you do it after a while, you may get up the nerve like I finally did too, okay? It took me a good 6 months or whatever to get my nerve up, but try recording some videos on your own that you don't even have to put out there. Listen to them a few times and you get used to the sound of your voice. You hear your voice in your head one way and you're shocked to hear it, when it comes over a speaker at you and it sounds nothing like you think you sound. And I think that's what a lot of us just need to get over. So please give it a try. And if you have any questions, reach out. And please like and subscribe to Next AI. And hey, if I end up with a link for this, which I hope I get accepted or whatever, I'll put it in below. If you're watching this in the future, if you want to try this, please click my link. It'll help the channel. It doesn't cost you any extra. And you should do that with all your favorite YouTube people. Give them some support. If you're going to end up purchasing a tool or something, support the channels you like a lot, okay? So anyways, I hope you guys the best of luck in whatever business realm you want to pursue. But hey, get some courage here. This is an answer for you, okay? To help you move forward. So I will talk to you soon. Ciao.